Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your RSVP strategy for career networking events on LinkedIn step by step clearly. To set up your RSVP strategy for career networking events on LinkedIn, begin by identifying the events relevant to your industry. Browse the LinkedIn events section to find upcoming networking opportunities. Once you find an event of interest, click on it to see the details. Review the event's description to understand its purpose and the target audience. Check the date and time to ensure it fits your schedule. Note the location for in-person events or the platform link for virtual events. Click the RSVP button to confirm your attendance. After RSVPing, take a moment to share the event on your feed to inform your connections. Consider writing a brief post about why you are attending and what you hope to gain. Research the speakers or hosts of the event to engage in meaningful conversations. Make a list of specific goals for the event, such as networking with industry leaders or learning about specific topics. Prepare your professional introduction or elevator pitch to effectively introduce yourself. Gather any materials you may need, like business cards or a digital portfolio. Connect with other attendees before the event by sending personalized messages. Utilize LinkedIn's message feature to follow up with individuals you're interested in meeting. On the day of the event, arrive early to enable ample networking time. Engage actively in discussions and ask questions during presentations. Take notes throughout the event to capture valuable insights. After the event, connect with new contacts on LinkedIn with a personalized message. Reflect on your experience, considering what worked well and what could be improved for future events. Engage with the event's posts on LinkedIn to maintain visibility in the community. Consider scheduling follow-up meetings or coffee chats with contacts you made at the event. By implementing this RSVP strategy, you will enhance your networking efforts and build valuable connections on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.